my little superstars. Welcome back to Learning with Kids. I'm your host, Sumitra, and today we're going on a veggie adventure. Who's ready to meet 10 amazing vegetables that are super yummy and super good for you? Raise your hands. Awesome! Let's jump right in. Number 1, carrot. Look at this bright orange buddy. It's crunchy, sweet, and helps your eyes sparkle like stars. Who loves carrots? Say yum with me. Yum! You can munch them raw or cook them in soup. Number 2, broccoli. This looks like a tiny green tree, doesn't it? It's a superhero veggie that makes you strong. Roar like a dinosaur if you like broccoli. Roar! Number 3, tomato. Is it a fruit? Is it a veggie? It's both. This red juicy ball is perfect for sandwiches or sauces. Can you say tomato tornado? Tomato tornado. Yay! Number 4, peas. These little green pearls are so fun to pop out of their pods. They're sweet and tiny, perfect for little hands like yours. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 peas. Great job. Number 5, spinach. Popeye loves this one, and it makes you super strong too. Wave your arms like a superhero if you try spinach. Whoosh! Number 6, cucumber. Cool as a cucumber, right? It's crispy and refreshing, perfect for a snack. Pretend to take a big bite with me. Crunch! Number 7, sweet potato. This orange friend is so sweet and soft when you cook it. Clap your hands if you try sweet potato fries. Clap, clap. Number 8, bell pepper. Look at these rainbow colors. Red, yellow, green. They're crunchy and fun. Ring a ding like a bell with me. Ding dong. Number 9, corn. This golden treasure is so fun to eat. You can nibble it off the cob or pop it into popcorn. Say, pop with me, pop. Number 10, pumpkin. This big orange buddy is perfect for pies or soups. Give me a big pumpkin hug. Oh! Wow, friends! We just met 10 super cool vegetables. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Learning with Kids, and hit that bell so you never miss our yummy adventures. See you next time, my little veggie lovers. Bye-bye.